Training Lead Code solution. If you want the best mock interview experience in North America, feel free to check us out at baozitraining.org. We're here to help you land your next big offer. Today, we're going to continue to talk about the Google Code Jam 2020 qualification round. So the second problem is called nesting depth. It was a little bit tongue twister, but the TLDR is given a string of digits S, insert a minimal number of opening and closing parentheses into it such that the resulting string is balanced and each digit D is inside exactly D pairs of matching parentheses. It's kind of not easy to understand, but once you look at the example, for example, like if you have 0 doesn't need to be in any kind of parentheses. And if you have 3, it has to be exactly in 3 parentheses, inside 3 parentheses. And then you can close 1, and 1 is only inside 1 because you close 2, and 1 is only inside 1. 4 is basically 4. And then also note they want the minimal number of minimal number of parentheses. So essentially, what I'm gonna do here is let me show it to you super quick. So let's say if you have a number 1 to 3, there's a few ways you can do it, right? So one way is you just have 1 like this, boom, boom, boom. So this will work, but this is not the minimal length. So what you need to do is 1 has to be inside 1, and you see 3 is actually 2 more depth than 1, right? So you want to put in 2 more brackets, and then you close this 2, and then 1 still have 1, you close this. So this one should be the right answer. So how do we do it? So it's still a simulation problem, relatively simple. So all you need to do is actually have an integer to keep the depth, how many depth of your current situation is. So which means how many parentheses you need to push or pop. Another thing is we could use a dummy node as a depth 0. So it's kind of like a dummy linked list. You have so while you are iterating through the array, so you already have a node here which depth is 0, and then you can just compare here versus what I implemented. I started from index 0 and then go back like this way. And also in my implementation during the competition, I used a stack just to track the depth instead of actually just an integer should do it. So what I mean is really, so this is my function. So I can show it here. So this is my function, main brackets. I have the digits, do some sanity check. So I have a stack of characters. So this stack of characters actually doesn't need to be, it just needs an integer. So I started with 0, so I push whatever the number of digits inside my stack, push the left parenthesis. And then I started with 1 and then compare with the previous value. So whatever the difference, like remember the example 1 to 3, so difference in this example 1 to 3, the difference is 2. So you need to push 2 more parentheses inside. So I push 2 more, but actually I don't need to actually push 2 more in the stack. I can literally just plus 2, and then if less, you just pop. I can literally just decrease, and then the string builder is keep appending the values, and then at the end of the day, if it's not, you're just appending the right parentheses. So this could, so essentially what I need to do is this stack character could just be an integer. Yeah, I think that's it. The time complexity is ON, the string, and then space complexity because we need extra space. So the time complexity because you still need to do a few extra kind of loops while you're looping through it, but you know, technically you can just say it's in terms of ON for the number of digits, but not the actual itself, because this could be lots of loops. Yeah, that's it. Leave any comments if any questions. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and subscribe to our WeChat if you read Chinese. All right, take care, guys. Stay positive, stay safe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.